a good mining trip. Okay. Let's see what's on the. Okay, let's see what's on the news. This is breaking news. If you ever hear this 3 a.m., you have to. Do not open your door. If you hear knocking at your door at 3 a.m., do not open your door. Stay safe out there. Stay safe out there. And also, he broke out of jail. So you need to be careful. Good luck. Oh no! I need to be careful. Oh nah. I need to be careful, dude. No, I'm gonna be serious trouble. I'm gonna be in serious trouble, dude. Okay, I need to be careful. Okay, let's go to a mining trip and pretend I never watching TV. Yep. I was never ever watching the news. Yep. Okay, let's go mine diamonds with my god pickaxe. Okay, it doesn't mine. Okay. Let's go and go get some diamonds. Let's go and go get some diamonds. I didn't find any diamonds, but at least I found some a bunch of a bunch a little bit of gold and a diamond. But and I also found coal. But okay, but that's not enough. Okay, I can't deal with this. I literally can't deal with this. Dang it. Okay, I thought I was gonna find any diamonds. Let's go to John's. Let's go to John. Okay, let's see what he has, dude. Okay. Hey, John. Hi, dude. Why are you? Why are you? What's wrong? Nothing. Did you read the news? What? Yeah, I did. It was about a. It said if you hear this knocking at your door at 3 a.m., do not open your door. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Yeah. Actually, kind of strange. Yeah, John, I'm just gonna. Bye, John. Yeah, bye. Uh, uh, oh my god, this is so stressful. I just can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put my This is so stressful. This was so stressful. I'm just gonna go watch some TV for the next 2 hours. Wait. Did I just sleep? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Dude. I'm just gonna go read books. No, I don't read books. I'm joking. I'm going to hunt food! I'm just gonna go hunt for food because I am gonna starve. Because if I don't eat food, I'm gonna starve. I'm gonna die. Okay? I need food. Okay. Because if I don't eat, I'll die. So because if I don't eat, I'll die. Yeah, I'll die. I'm not joking. I'll die. Ooh, there's a cowie over there. Ooh, there's another sheep. Give me some meaties. No. No, it didn't grab any meaties, but okay, boom. Now I'm not eating it. I'm not hunting with the feather. Die! Give me. Give me. Yes. The power is mine. Okay, wait, I need to read. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I got. Wait, next, I gotta dig a bit straight down. I'm not gonna dig straight down, but this is what you do in Minecraft. This is what you do in Minecraft. You collect stones to make a furnace. Yeah, because if you don't, you'll die. Give me. And I'm literally gonna die. I'm literally 20. Okay. Yeah, this is enough. This is enough. This is enough. Oh. Okay, this is not. Okay, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Okay. Okay. Hope a rat didn't come into my house. No! Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay. Next, I go to John. Next, I go to go find a crafting table. Okay. Then I make a furnace. Yeah, but I don't have enough coal, so I'm gonna go get some from the mines. Bro, I got stacked. Oh, wait, this is not my. Oh, wait, no, I'm so dumb. I am so dumb. I'm sorry, shut up, John. I'll look at you from the distance. Okay, I'm gonna put some meat. Okay. Okay, I gotta get some more beef. Okay. No, wait, actually, no, I'm actually gonna wait. Because I'm starving. Wait a minute. Okay. Nom. Bro, that's not enough. I need more. I'm still starving. Okay, give me more wheat. Give me more stove. I'm gonna put some more wheat. No, nope. Yep, give me. Nom. Ah, that's so good. So awesome. Go watch TV for another 2 hours. It's nothing crazy or something. Okay, I'm gonna watch TV. Okay. Oh my god. How long have I been asleep? I guess I'm gonna go to bed. Nom. I need to put on my pajamas, of course. Yay. Let's put on pajamas. Wait. Pajama pants. You guys got my pajama shirt and my pajama pants. But I don't need pajama. That's weird. Okay, let's put on my pajamas. Okay, I go to sleep. Wait. Okay, now I can go to bed. That was a good sleep. Why is the light and wow, it's my door! Oh my god, and last night I also remembered that I heard knocking. Knocking, but wait, where are my stuff? Oh my god! What happened? What the heck? Oh my god! Why is there footsteps? Wait, where are they leading to? I investigate. Wait, they stopped, but where are they? But what happened? What happened? And wait, why am I in the cage? Get me out of here! Whoever did this will pay! Whoever did this! Wait, I did it. Why? 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 I don't know. What? You're trapped in here because you don't know? No, let me out of here! No. Yeah, no, that ain't happening. Now I gotta chill your night. Hey. Wait, no, 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 no!